Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria from Happykids, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some Play-Doh balloons because, well, why not? Every day could use a few balloons. Here's what you need to get started. You need white, red, green, and blue Play-Doh. That's it. Let's get started. First, we're going to make the balloons. Time to add on the string. Three cute little balloons. Wow, they're so cool, I almost wish they were real. Wait a minute, maybe they can be. Wow, I can't believe it. My wish actually came true. How cool. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Be sure to come back to see what I'm creating next time here on Happykids. See you later. Poof.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.